Creating 3D animated videos for free with AI in today's digital age. Creating 3D animated videos can be an incredibly valuable skill for storytellers, marketers, educators, and many others. Here's a guide to creating stunning 3D animations without spending a dime, using AI tools and platforms readily available on the internet. 1. Getting started. Begin your journey by researching free AI-powered 3D animation platforms. Websites like Blender, Vectary, and Clara.io offer robust capabilities without charging a fee. While these platforms offer different tools and interfaces, their common objective is to democratize 3D design and animation. 2. Choosing the right platform. Blender is often hailed as the best free 3D creation suite. With a comprehensive feature set including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking, it's suitable for both beginners and professionals. Vectary offers a more straightforward, web-based interface for those who prefer not installing software. Clara.io also supports in-browser 3D modeling with collaborative features, making it perfect for team projects. 3. Learning the basics. Once you've selected a platform, dive into tutorials. Countless videos and written guides are available to walk you through the basics. Blender, for instance, has an official online manual along with vibrant community forums where you can ask questions and share ideas. 4. AI tools for animation. For adding life to your static 3D models, explore AI-driven tools such as Plaske, AI, or Move.ai. These platforms can automatically rig characters or apply motion capture data, significantly speeding up the animation process without requiring advanced skill sets from the user. 5. Bringing it all together. Start by sketching out a storyboard to outline your animation's flow. Use your chosen platform to model and animate each scene according to your storyboard. Don't hesitate to blend different AI tools to enhance the detail and complexity of your character's movements and expressions. 6. Rendering and exporting. Once satisfied with the animation, it's time to render. This process involves your computer creating the final video file based on the scenes you've built. Use the rendering options within your platform to set the quality and format according to your needs, making sure that your animation is polished and professional. 7. Sharing your work. Finally, publish your video. Platforms like YouTube or Vimeo are great for showcasing your work, while social media channels offer more wide-reaching options. Encourage feedback from your audience to improve your technique and consider collaborating with others to refine your skills further. Subscribe for more videos and tips.